In this video, I'm going to show you how you can attach your work to your assignments. So we're going to go to our classwork, which can be found at the top of our website. I'm going to our Google Doc assignment. I'm going to go into the document. So this second task asks for a picture. So I'm going to attach my work as a picture. So I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Image. I'm going to upload from my computer because my work is on my desktop. You will see your folders. Here's my work. I'm going to click on it and then click Open. And here is all of my work. It's inserted as a picture into the doc. And this way I can turn it in. Another way that you can submit your work is go to View Assignment. When you're in this page, on the right side under the assignment and right above your Turn In button, you're going to see Add or Create. I can add my work in addition to the attachment of the assignment. So I'm going to click on Add. I'm going to choose a file because it's on my desktop. I took a picture of it. I'm going to go to Upload and browse my desktop. Here is my work. I'm going to click Open. You could always drag and drop it in as well. And there you go. It is attached and I can turn in my assignment. Both are two attachments. It's confirming that I want to turn it in, and I do. If you want to turn in your work to a Google Slide assignment, you want to go to your classwork again, go to that Google Slide assignment. You can add a blank slide. And the way you add a blank slide is you go up to the left to that plus sign. I click the down arrow and I go to blank. This way there's no text boxes. And that gives me a new slide. So what I'm going to do is then click Insert, which is at the top of the website. I'm going to click Image and upload from my computer. Then I'm going to do the same thing and look at my desktop and choose my work and click Open. I can move it around, I can make it smaller or bigger, but I'm going to make sure it fits on the slide. I can X out, and I just want to double check that it's still there. Yep, here's my work. Again, I can also attach my work to the Google Slides assignment by going in View Assignment, clicking on the right side Add or Create, going to my files, clicking Upload, and browsing from my desktop, and then adding that picture in to my assignment. And then I can turn it in. Again, always confirming there's two attachments, the actual assignment and the work. I turn my assignment in. And that's it.